Our series of international cooking books contains family-style Asian recipes with traditional Anglo-Burmese and Anglo-Indian dishes. We have selected home recipes covering Burmese, Indian, Chinese and Malaysian food. Anthea Piri's collection of books are not about family history but packed with authentic Eurasian recipes of well-known dishes. There are recipes for everyone, especially those who are adventurous. It appeals to a few of my vegan friends too. So, if you love your food, like to indulge in good food, or you often wonder what next to cook for the family, then our cookbooks give you the insight and provide you with a substantial collection of notable dishes that you can try out, experiment with yourself, and enjoy with your family and friends. If you are totally new to this kind of food, then it gives a groundbreaking introduction. You can then impress everyone with your new style in cooking. And if you know someone who enjoys cooking, then our books make great gifts too. Buy Anthea's books today from the link down below now.